We have a line here, this red line, and our goal is to write the equation of this red line in the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, so remember there are two things we need to know in order to write the equation of any line in the form y equals mx plus b, any linear equation. So we need to know m, which is the slope, and we need to know b, which is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses on the y-axis. So this is the y-axis and the line is crossing the y-axis right here. So this is our b. Our b is 4. So we know b is positive 4. b is positive 4. Okay, we know b. The next thing now is the slope. Okay, this line is a horizontal line. Horizontal line, it looks like the x-axis. The x-axis is down here. It's different from the x-axis, but it looks like the x-axis. It's parallel to the x-axis. It's a horizontal line. Horizontal lines do not have a slope. Think about slope as a slant. This line is not slanted, it's just horizontal. So horizontal lines, they do have a slope, but the slope is 0. So the slope is 0. So m equals 0 and b equals 4. So now let's write the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. Then we have y equals 0x plus 4. Therefore, the equation is y equals 0 times x is 0, so we can just forget about that. Y equals 4. So this is the line y equals 4. Okay, we can also know by if we're on this line, everywhere on this line, no matter the value for x, y is always equal to 4. So y stays a constant of 4 all the time. So this is an example of a constant line. A constant line. It is not increasing, it is not decreasing, it is a constant line. So we want to write the equation of this red line in the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, this line is vertical. That means if we want to find the slope, slope is rise divided by run. Okay, now this line is vertical, it has a run of 0. So the slope is a rise of a lot divided by 0. In math, division by 0 is not possible, so we say the slope is undefined. So that will mean we need now to look for the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses on the y-axis. This line does not cross the y-axis at any point. So again, there is no y-intercept. That said, what equation models this line? So right here, x is 7. So this is a line where x is always equal to 7 no matter the value for y. So if I'm right here, my value for x is 7. I'm right here, my value for x is 7. When I'm changing different values for y, my x stays 7 the whole time. Okay, so my x is always 7 for this line. In the same way, if I do a vertical line right here, guess what the equation will be? This will be the line where x is always equal to 11. If I do another vertical line right here, guess what the equation will be? This is the line where x is always equal to 5, and so on. Right here, this is the line where x is always equal to 1. Okay? Vertical line, x is equal to a constant number. It is not changing. If I have a line on the y-axis right here, this is a good one. If I have a line on the y-axis right here, vertical line, what is the equation of the y-axis? This is the line where x is always equal to 0, because right here, x is 0. And anywhere on the y-axis, x is always equal to 0.